Today I'm going to talk about the exciting features of the all-new Tecno Spark 10 5G. Make it big. So let's begin. First in line, we have its RAM. Tecno Spark 10 5G comes with big 8GB RAM, which is further expandable up to 16 GBs, ensuring you have a smooth and lag-free experience. Next in line, we have the processor. The phone runs on Express 5G Dimensity 6020 processor. This efficient and faster 5G processor improves your multitasking skill, giving you a speedy and smooth user experience. Moving on, the next feature we are going to talk about is its bigger camera. The Tecno Spark 10 5G features a dual rear camera with a 50 megapixel primary and AI sensor. An 8 megapixel AI supported front camera is also provided for selfies and video calls. With a 50 megapixel primary camera at the back and an 8 megapixel camera at the front, you are in for a brilliant photography experience. So now let's talk about its battery. The phone's performance is supported by its big 5000 mAh battery. It gives a long-lasting backup, so watch all your favorite content or play games without running out of battery anytime soon. Let's talk about its display. The Tecno Spark 10 5G has a smooth 6.56 HD Plus display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. An immersive, good quality and colorful viewing experience comes natural with this display. The Tecno Spark 10 5G has Android 13 OS, which has an intuitive UI. It means your phone will run the way you want it to. To sum it up, the Tecno Spark 10 5G is a good phone with big performance promising features. This is all for the Tecno Spark 10 5G. I hope you had fun watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.